Good morning, class 3. So, beta, we are going to start the revision as your unit test is nearby only. So, we have already revised the chapters that are going to come in unit test. So, today we will revise the book work and the question answers of chapter Parts of a Plant and Our Body that are going to come in your unit test. So, let's start with the chapter number 7, that is Parts of a Plant. Come to page number 74. First, we'll discuss fill in the blanks. 74, page number 74. First, the part of the plant that grows below the ground is called dash. There are main two parts of a plant, shoot and root. So, जो नीचे होता है ground के, that is root, and that जो above है, that is shoot. So, here the answer will be root. A dash root appears bushy and has no main root. Fibrous root appears bushy. The dash carries water and food to all parts of a plant, that is stem. Dash helps leaves to absorb light, that is which substance absorbs light? Chlorophyll. Most flowers change into dash. The answer is fruits, because fruit they come from the flowers only. Choose the correct option. Roots of which of these plants are eaten by us? Radish and carrot are the roots that are eaten by because they store food. उसमें food होता है that we eat. Which of these parts of a plant grow on stems? Leaves, fruits, buds and flowers. All these parts they grow on the stem. Which substance gives leaves a green color? So that is chlorophyll. It is a substance that is of green color and present in the leaves of the plants. That is why the leaves of the plant are green in color. Which of these roots does grass have? Grass, you must have seen the roots of grass. They are bushy. So, the answer will be fibrous roots. Which part of the plant becomes a fruit? Flower of a plant becomes a fruit. Which of these are edible? Sixth. Which of the following is the gas given out by leaves? Leaves give out a gas called oxygen that is very essential for human beings for the survival. Which of these are edible seeds? Edible seeds वो होते हैं बेटा that are eaten by us, that we can eat, that are edible seeds. Corn and bean, they are also eaten. Wheat and rice are also eaten. Cumin and black pepper, they are also eaten by us. So answer will be all of these. Which of the following is a flower that we eat? Cabbage, ginger, banana, broccoli. Broccoli is a flower that we eat. Next, give one word for the following. Come to give one word. The part of the plant that is above the ground. We read that is below the ground. That is root. जो above होगा that is shoot. A root system in which there is a main root and many small roots growing from it. That is the taproot system. Thick and strong stem of a tree. That is called a trunk. जो बहुत ज़्यादा मोटी होती है stem उसे बोलते हैं trunk. The flat surface of a leaf called leaf blade. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant. That is called as germination. From the process by which a seed grows into a new plant. Seed से जब नया plant बनता है, that is called germination. Now give two examples. Now come to give two examples. First, plants with tap roots. Answer bean, mustard. If you know any other, you can write. Plants with fibrous roots, grass, wheat. Stems that we eat, potato, ginger. Flowers that we eat, cauliflower, जो आप खाते हो सब्जी, broccoli. Edible seeds, cumin seeds, mustard seeds. There, wheat you can write, rice you can write. Next, answer the following questions. What is a taproot? A taproot is a root in which there is one main thick root from which small roots grow. ये कौन सी root होती है? This is a main root. One main root is there. Other roots they come out from the main root. Main root से बाकी roots हैं वो निकलती है. This is the main root. So this is a taproot. Give any two functions of roots. What are the functions of roots? Roots help the plant to stay fixed to the soil. First function. Second function, roots they take water and minerals from the soil which are used by the plant for making its food. Next question is, give any three functions of stems. First function of stem, it keeps the plant upright and straight. Next, leaves, flowers, buds, they all grow on the stems. Next, there are some stems that store food and they are eaten by us. Example, potato, ginger, sugarcane. So these are the stems that are eaten by us because they store food. Next, what are edible seeds? Name two seeds used as spices. The seeds that are eaten by us are called edible seeds. Two examples, mustard and cumin seeds. What is germination? What do seeds need for germination? The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. A plant needs air, water, warmth, or you can write sunlight for germination. These were the question answers. Next, let's recall parts of a plant. We know there are mainly two parts of a plant, one below the ground, one above the ground. जो ऊपर वाला है that is a shoot, जो नीचे वाला है ground के that is root. Root and shoot. Root, there are two types, tap root and fibrous root. Shoot में क्या आता है? What is present on the shoot portion? Stem, flower, buds, leaf, seeds. You can write flower also. Next, uses of parts of a plant. Roots. First write the uses of roots, then stems, leaf, flower, fruits and seeds. That we have already read. Now come to next chapter, that is our body, chapter number 9. Our body. This is the second chapter that is going to come in your unit test. Chapter number 9, our body. But I come to the book work of this chapter. Page number 93. Fill in the blanks. A tissue is made up of dash, kind of dash. Tissue is made up of many kind of cells. The arm muscles dash to move the arm up and down. The arm muscles shorten and lengthen. कभी वो छोटी हो जाते हैं muscle, कभी बड़े हो जाते हैं. Then we can move our arm. The air we breathe out is called dash air. That is called exhaled air. जो बाहर छोड़ते हैं that is exhaled air. जो लेते हैं that is inhaled air. The dash connects all nerves of the body to the brain. The spinal cord connects all nerves of the body to the brain. The dash system cleans our body by throwing out body waste. That is the excretory system. Next is choose the correct options. Which of the following is made up of different tissues? Tissues, they are made up of cells, then tissues they combine to form organs. So answer is organs over here. Which of these refers to the skeletal system? It gives shape to the body, it protects the soft inner parts, it is made up of bones and joints. All are correct. That is all of these. Which of the following organ systems help change our food into substances that our body can use? That is the digestive system, because this system, जब food खाते हो आप, the food that you eat, it is present in bigger molecules. So it should be broken down into smaller molecules. So which organ system helps in that, in breaking the bigger molecules into smaller molecules? That is the digestive system. Which of these organs absorbs what is needed from the food? That is intestines. जो हमारी digestive system में होता है intestines, that helps to absorb what is needed from the food. जो भी food से अपने nutrients लेने हैं वो intestine सारे absorbs करती हैं. These are the intestines. Which of these organs expands and becomes big when filled with air? That is lungs. Which part connects all nerves of the body to the brain? We have already done in fill in the blanks. Answer is spinal cord. Which of the following organs is not a part of the circulatory system? Brain. Brain is a part of the nervous system, not the circulatory system. Which of these organ systems helps in producing babies? That is reproductive system. Reproductive system, it helps to produce young ones or babies. Then give one word. The building blocks of the body means the smallest unit, जो सबसे छोटी unit है body की, that is a cell. Cells. A living being made up of different organ systems, that is organism. हम डिफरेंट ऑर्गन सिस्टम से बने हैं तो हमें क्या बोलते हैं? वी आर ऑर्गेनिजम्स. द ऑर्गन दैट गिव्स ऑर्डर्स टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, दैट इज योर ब्रेन. योर ब्रेन गिव्स ऑर्डर्स, देन द बॉडी पार्ट्स दे वर्क, दे फंक्शन. थिन ट्यूब्स थ्रू विच ब्लड फ्लोज, दैट आर कॉल्ड एज ब्लड वेसल्स. गिव टू एग्जांपल्स फॉर द फॉलोइंग. टाइप्स ऑफ मसल्स: skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, smooth muscles, any two you can write. Organs of the digestive system, कोई भी दो organs लिख दो digestive system के. Mouth from which you take food, stomach जहां पे आपका digestion start होती है, that is the stomach. Organs of the respiratory system, nose, windpipe, organs of the nervous system, that is brain and nerves. That are the main two organs of the nervous system, brain and nerves. Then answer the following questions. Name any two organ systems and write what each does for the organism. कोई भी दो ऑर्गन सिस्टम लिख दो. सपोज यू आर राइटिंग फर्स्ट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, सेकेंड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. इफ यू हैव रिटन समथिंग एल्स इन योर नोटबुक दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, वो भी लिख दो. डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, इट हेल्प्स टू ब्रेक डाउन फूड इनटू स्मॉलर मॉलिक्यूल्स so that it can be used by the body. Circulatory system, it helps to transport or circulate substances to all parts of the body with the help of the blood, that is circulation. What is digestion? The process of changing food into substances that our body can use is called digestion. What do nerves do for the body? The nerves, they carry message received from the brain to all parts of the body. जो ब्रेन से मैसेज आता है वो नर्व्स क्या करती हैं? अपने बॉडी पार्ट्स को कन्वे करती हैं. हाउ डज द एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गेनिज्म? एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम हेल्प एन ऑर्गेनिज्म बाय रिमूविंग वेस्ट फ्रॉम द बॉडी. व्हाई इज इट इंपॉर्टेंट टू एक्सरसाइज द बॉडी रेगुलरली? इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू एक्सरसाइज द बॉडी रेगुलरली to keep ourselves healthy and fit. You know the importance of exercise. Let's recall, an organism or living being is made up of cells. Cells combine to form tissues. Tissues combine to form organs. Organs combine to form organ system. And organ systems combine to form the organism. First cells. Cells के बाद क्या बनता है? Tissues. Then organs. Organ system. Then they are asking about the 8 important organ systems in the body. Digestive system, first, respiratory system, circulatory system, reproductive system, nervous system, excretory system, muscular system, and skeletal system. So these are the main organ systems in our body. So but this was about chapter number 9, that is our body. I hope all have understood. So all the best for your test and be prepared for it. Thank you and have a nice day.